everyone, I'm Robin Lindars and welcome to 30-Minute Meals. I'm here to help you master everyday grilling recipes that you can make in under 30 minutes. Trust me, I know how hard it is to get dinner on the table, especially on a weeknight, but with some simple tools and ingredients from Kingsford, Masterbuilt, and Walmart, you can have dinner on the table in no time. Today I'm making a grilled wedge salad with buffalo chicken, finished with a super simple homemade blue cheese dressing. Now that I've loaded in my Kingsford charcoal with applewood, I'm gonna crank the grill up to 400. Let's make our blue cheese dressing with a little bit of mayo, sour cream, chunky blue cheese, pepper, and a touch of garlic salt. And next, I'm going to cut my iceberg heads in half and put my cherry tomatoes on skewers. After that, add half a stick of butter and a cup of hot sauce to a pot to be placed on the grill. Now we're just gonna salt and pepper our chicken and throw everything on the grill. So for my lettuce, I'm just looking for a little bit of char on the edges. And for the chicken, I want to hit an internal temperature of 165 degrees. And once we've met that, we can pull it off and we're ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna chop up this chicken and douse it in buffalo sauce and then plate our salad. I love how the applewood flavor really enhances the chicken without overpowering it. And then everything comes together in the perfect smoky, crunchy, creamy bite. Thanks for watching. Head on over to Walmart to pick up your ingredients, your Gravity Series 800, and your Kingsford charcoal. See you next time.